Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the brand new Huawei P30 Pro. Oh, co-engineered with Leica. Rewrite the rules of photography. Zoom in to explore the mystery of the celestial at night. Watch an eagle hovering over trees or examine the delicate details of crystal. Capture the best things in the moment and create your vision for the future. Oh, these are nice. Discover it now with me at the unbox feature. Here is the device. It is in a hard box, nice box, high quality box. You can choose between four colors. That means a delight of color, drawing inspiration from the miracle sky. The Huawei P30 Pro mirrors the transfixing colors of light, space, and witness the beauty of a rosy dawn, midday sky, the mysterious aura and darkness of the night. I choose I think it's the darkness of the night, the black version. You can choose, of course, Aurora, Breathing Crystal, or Amber Sunrise. All these colors are beautiful. But inside, it is a super camera system. It is a photography pioneer. Closer to the things we love. The new periscope telephone lens allows more optical zooming capabilities to be tucked in a compact body without losing image quality, together with the color saturation provided by the 40 megapixel main camera and stability of OIS. The super zoom lens offers 10 times hybrid zoom to see the new before scene with great resolution and rich detail. And additionally, it can bring the moon right before your eyes with up to 50 times zoom. This is awesome. The light evolution sees the unseen in the dark. That means the splendor hidden in the night was up to ISO 49600 on the Huawei P30 Pro. Even in extreme dark situation, you are able to discover a vast array of colors. And of course, beauty in every layer. Backlight Challenger, analyzing over hundreds of thousands of backlights and low light photos. AI HDR Plus delivers clarity in your shots. Whoa, these are all awesome facts about this phone. The height is 158 millimeters, the depth is 8.41 millimeters, the wide is 73.4 millimeters. This is big, large. The size is 6.47 inches. And the colors, wow, 16.7 million colors available inside the device. White color gamut, DCI P3. The screen is OLED. The resolution is FHD+, 2340 to 1080. The operation system is Android 9. The memory installed is 8GB RAM plus 128GB or 512GB ROM. Network, you have a primary SIM card and a secondary SIM card inside the device. You can choose primary SIM or secondary SIM. A VOGL09, that means it fits so many bands, 3G, 2G, 4G, everything is on board. GSM, TDS, WCDMA. Connectivity is everything on board. Bluetooth 5.0 and the standards of wireless LAN is A, B, G, N, A, and C. Type C ear jack is on the scene. So you have some sensors: ambient light sensor, in-screen fingerprint sensor, gyroscope, compass, proximity sensor, gravity sensor, Hall sensor, infrared sensor, color temperature sensor. Everything's on board. The camera, Leica quad camera, 40 megapixel and 20 megapixel plus, and an 8 megapixel camera. 3 cameras. Huawei time of flight camera, and that was a rear camera. Now it comes, the rear camera are 3 cameras, and the front camera is 1 camera with 32 megapixel. This is enough for everything. The audio codecs are Dolby Atmos, MP3, MP4, GBP, OGG, AMR, etc. Video is 3GP and MP4. The battery inside has 4,200 milliampere hours, and everything is on board on this device, and it makes so beautiful videos and pictures. I like it really, really much. It is splash water and dust resistant, IP68. And in the box is the phone, the charger, Type-C cable, one-time Type-C earphones, quick start guide, eject tool, and the warranty card. This is all what you need. The processor is a Huawei Kirin 980 octa-core processor. This is large. You have dual NPUs, neural network processing units on board. And the location is given in the phone by GPS. So now let's install the SIM card. You will need a SIM card to operate. Use a jack tool to get out the tray on the bottom side of the device. There it is. There's a little tiny hole. In this hole you have penetrated into with the eject tool. There it is. Push it a little bit inside, and then you can see the tray will slide out immediately. Here it is. This is the tray for your SIM card. Here you are going to get in the SIM card to get connected to your mobile services station. You can use a primary SIM card and a secondary SIM card. And we are going to use a primary SIM card. That means it is a SIM card which is located into the SIM card chip is going into the direction of the screen. So here it is. The SIM card has edges. There you can have to install it easily. Then only thing you have to do is push the tray back in position and you're back in business easily. So let's rewriting the rules of photography. Let's have a look how deep we can go until this object far away. This is about 300 meters far away, and we're going to zoom in. Wow, super camera system inside. 40 megapixel super sensing camera, and this will get you close to this far away object, and you can see every detail in this device screen. There was a bird, as you can see. It was easy to zoom in and have a look what's going on there. Wow, that thing you will love too. The new periscope telephoto lens allows more optical zooming capabilities to be tucked in a compact body without losing image quality. This is awesome. You saw before in the take before the second zoom in was my device. It is not so good like this Huawei P30 Pro. If you have a close view and you are going to zoom in 50 times, this is not high quality, as you can see. The 50 times zooming option is only for far away options, and then it works brilliant. Really nice device. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Oh, here's more. You can use different types of camera options. You can turn some filters inside. You can have the 32 megapixel front camera that will intelligently recognize you to produce expert selfies to you as well. And you will be the director. And it's live on the moment. Harnesses a super spectrum sensor to more tight to capture moments in the dark. It brings enjoyment. Will keeps the distance, but still witness exciting stories to you. Wow. Easily on the move. Record exciting videos while skiing down the mountain, for example. The professional AIS plus OIS in the Huawei handheld videos, seamless and steady. Easy going in sonic visionary design. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. Give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Try the different parts in your video app for photos, videos, and of course try the zoom option. This is an awesome option by Leica. Leica is a nice function, nice brand, really nice. Okay, soon.